This video is all about how or what makes a video go viral. Now you see it all the time. You're scrolling through YouTube, there's a video that has 10 million views, there's a video that has 2 million views. And then you see the timestamp of when it was posted, and one is maybe from 10 years ago, one maybe from 1 week ago, and you're just wondering like, what made this video go viral? So that's what this video is about. At first, the first half of this video, I'm gonna give you a verbal instruction of how to go viral. And then in the second half of the video, I'm actually gonna hop on my computer and show you guys my screen. And we're gonna dissect some videos that went viral. Videos that went viral in a week, videos that went viral within a month, and videos that went viral over years. And listen guys, what I'm mainly teaching in this course is how to go viral over years and years and years, longevity, sustainability. That is the goal. The goal is to make money for the next 10 years while we sleep. That is the ultimate goal. And yeah, so let's break it down. So the biggest factor that makes a video go viral, well, there's actually two. There's two that are kind of on the same boat, but sometimes they go a little above each other, a little below each other, but they're right around the same level of what it requires a video to go viral, and that is click-through rate and average view duration. I'm sure you guys have heard these terms so often, maybe not, but if you don't know what it is, CTR or click-through rate means basically out of 100 people, how many of those people actually click your video? So let's say 10 people out of 100 click, that's a 10% click-through rate. So that's click-through rate. The higher that is, the more YouTube is gonna think, oh wow, this is a valid topic, this is a relevant topic, we're gonna start sharing it more. It's clearly showing more interest. Their audience is clearly clicking on it more when it pops up in the suggested videos or the browse features. Now that's one thing, is click-through rate, very, very important. And then the other very important thing is, once again, average view duration. So basically, how long can you keep your viewer watching the video? The goal is to keep them all the way to the end, and the video is so good that they watch it over again. Now, that's not gonna happen every time, and that actually very rarely happens. So how can you make the AVD, or the average view duration, very high? Well, I break it down very in depth in a later section, but I'm gonna just give you a little glimpse of it right now. So essentially, how can you engage the viewer? How can you make them stay? How can you incentivize them to keep watching? Is there something that you hint that's coming later in the video? Is there something that they're looking for before they even click the video? What is it? What is it that makes the viewer stay? Is it the music? Is it the constant engagement? Is it the constant stimulation? That's essentially what it is the stimulation. So whether it's, moving graphics, moving text, just constantly something happening rather than just a plain old boring person sitting here. For example, like this video right now, it's edited, in my opinion, decently well. There's things on the screen, there's a lot of moving parts, there's a lot of text on the screen, and there's music in the background, and overall the quality of this production, in my opinion, is good. It could be better, but it's good. So therefore it, keeps you engaged. So average view duration, very important. Click-through rate, very important. Once again, we'll break these things down later in the course. And then emotion. That's one thing, is when it comes to these thumbnails. So click-through rate, I didn't break this down. So click-through rate, essentially, it depends on two things. It's your thumbnail and it's your title. Both of them have to work well together. They're like best friends. You have to make them work well with each other. The title needs to be engaging in one sense, and the thumbnail in the other sense needs to be very engaging, make sense with what the topic is about, and at the same time, just has something about it. A lot of times colors are huge. Text that raises emotion is huge, and sometimes showing somebody's face, that in that face showing emotion is huge. So basically what I'm trying to get at is, show emotion within the actual thumbnail and title, and then at the same time you want to get a rise of emotion out of the person who's clicking it. Think about it. You're just scrolling through YouTube, you see thousands and thousands of videos, but what makes you click? What makes you emotionally want to click on this video? You don't need to. It's more of a want. So how can you make the viewer want to click? And then another thing that makes a video go viral is SEO. So now think about it. YouTube is an algorithm. It's a computer. You have to feed it information in order to give you an output. In that input, that you feed it is the title, the tags, the description, the click-through rate, the average view duration. All these things basically let the algorithm know what your video is about. Is it a good video? Is it a bad video? Is it a relevant video? So SEO is huge. So your tags, title, description, and even what the narrator is saying actually counts as part of SEO. That's why a lot of the times when I'm teaching people how to write the scripts, when I'm telling my script writers what to do, I always give them the title of the video, and then I also say, hey, make sure these words that are in the title, you emphasize them several times within the intro. The reason for that is because YouTube's algorithm, it actually, as you can see, like when you go to YouTube, if you click the CC at the bottom right or somewhere that's on the screen on a YouTube video, It's automatic closed captioning. That's not the viewer going in and doing the closed captioning, where there's captions at the bottom. That's actually YouTube auto-generating them based off what the narrator is saying. It's guessing what the narrator is saying. And if the narrator is saying something that's very relevant to the title in the description, then YouTube's going to say, yep, this is for sure a video that is being, the keywords that were used to search match what this video is actually talking about. Therefore, we are confident in sharing it. So that's huge. SEO is huge. Make sure it's correct. We'll break it down deeper in this course. Yeah, that's about it. So right now we're gonna hop on my computer. I'm gonna show a few videos to you that might break down exactly what a video is viral for, and then yeah, we'll keep going there.